AVL, room or apartment availability. AVO, availability offset. Availability offset. By setting an availability offset, property managers can ensure that reservations are not accepted during the specified time frame. For example, if a property requires cleaning for 3 hours after a guest checks out, the manager can set a 3-hour availability offset to prevent immediate bookings during that time. This gives staff members sufficient time to prepare the property before the next guest arrives. ETA, close to arrival. Close to arrival. This refers to a restriction placed on a specific date or period during which no new reservations or check-ins are allowed. It means that guests cannot arrive on that particular day or days. CTD, close to departure. Close to departure. This restriction prohibits guests from checking out or departing on a specific date or period. It means that existing guests cannot leave the property on that particular day or days. MAL, maximum availability. Maximum availability is a key setting in a PMS that allows property managers to define the upper limit on the number of units or rooms that can be booked simultaneously. This setting is important for ensuring that the property or properties are not overbooked and that the guest occupancy remains within the desired capacity. MXS, max stay. Maximum stay, also known as max stay, sets a limit on the number of consecutive nights a guest can stay in a property. For example, if the maximum stay is set to 7 nights, a guest cannot stay for more than 7 nights in a row. MSA, min stay arrival. Minimum stay arrival. Minimum stay arrival specifies the minimum number of nights a guest must stay when making a reservation that includes a specific arrival date. For example, if the minimum stay arrival is set to 2 nights, guests must book and stay for a minimum of 2 nights if they choose that arrival date. MST, min stay through. Minimum stay through. Minimum stay through refers to the minimum number of nights a guest must stay when making a reservation that spans across a specific date. For example, if the minimum stay through is set to 3 nights, guests must book and stay for a minimum of 3 nights if their reservation includes that specific date. Rate, price for particular room or apartment type. SS, stop sell. Stop sell. Stop sell is a functionality in a PMS that allows hoteliers to stop selling certain room types or inventory for a specific date or period. This means that reservations cannot be made for the room types that have been marked as stop sell during that time. It is commonly used when the property is fully booked or when certain rooms are unavailable for various reasons,